join us here today on part 6 of the M3 Touring build. We've got the guys from Scuda Forte coming down for a front end PPF. So this is going to give some really nice protection to the front end. It's going to stop the stone chips going through to that matte paintwork, or giving it a little bit more added protection so there's no scratches on the front end. So we're going to class this as the trap pack. Guys, going to be here all day. There's quite a lot of real estate on the front end and lots of complexity. So I'm really interested to see how the guys get on with it. And I'm keen to get this done because we're then one step closer to this being finished, which is brilliant. So PPF, and then we've got the final step, which will be done tomorrow, which will fill you guys in then. So sit back, relax, enjoy this video. I'm certainly interested to see how the process is done. This is completely new to me. Never PPF'd any of my personal cars, any of our development cars, so I'm really keen to see how this goes. So yeah, sit back, relax, and we'll see how this one pans out. I'm just going to ask a quick question to my man on the right hand. So tell me a little bit about what the process is getting this film on here.
So obviously you'd already prepped the entire car previous to us coming. Other than that, it's basically panel prepping. So like using a panel prep wipe. Get that done. Then it's a lot of slip on there. So a baby shampoo mixed with water.
Okay.
Get that on there. Get it very lubricated. Then you get your film. You're ready to get that lubricated. Get that on there. Align the points. You've got to get your points all lined up properly. And then we use an alcohol solution to tack. And there's various tacking points that you need to do first,
gotcha. Right.
Prior to the squeegeing. Once you've got them lined up, start squeegeing. Get that water out. And then you're left with exposed edges.
Okay, yeah, just
so around the arches, in the bonnet line there. It's always best just to let them naturally dry for a couple of hours, and then after time, you're able to fold them in, and you can use a hairdryer or heat gun just to aid the drying time, speed things up, and that's pretty much it.
Easy as that, really.
Yeah.
Any one of us can do it. Not quite. No, it looks amazing. And one thing that you might be able to see on camera is the fact that you can't see it on camera. There's just no visible signs of this film being on the car. It looks absolutely amazing. The guy's done a brilliant job. So both my man here on the right hand side and someone who's behind the camera is too shy to say anything. Thank you guys very much.
No worries.
Big appreciation for that. You've done a great job. And all we need to do is finish the last stage tomorrow and we can finally get this thing on the road and drive it. So thanks a lot to Scuda Forte for coming down, and we'll see you guys around soon.
Thank you. Cheers.